Over 80% of users say they've left a website or an app because of a bad user experience. Not because it looked outdated, but because it felt outdated. In this video, I'll walk you through the biggest UI UX trends of 2025 that are actually changing how websites and apps are built, with real examples you can use for inspiration. Let's get started. Trend 1. Proactive user experience. Most apps used to wait for input. Now they predict it. In 2025, the smartest products aren't just reactive, they're proactive. Think about Spotify predicting what you will vibe with next week, or Uber suggesting your usual commute location before you even book a cab. This is PX, Proactive Experience. It's powered by behavior data plus AI. But here's the catch. Good prediction isn't enough. Great UX happens when you design for that prediction. Spotify Wrapped, Netflix Because You Watched, Amazon's Buy Again, they're all PX in action. Trend 2. Brutalist design. Inspired by the new utilitarian architecture of post-war Europe, Brutalist UI throws out the rulebook. Harsh lines, oversized type, stark black and white layouts. It's not about looking pretty, it's about making a point. Brutalist design breaks the visual monotony we've come to expect from modern UI. It creates tension, it forces focus. And for brands that want to look bold, rebellious, or unfiltered, it works. Trend 3. Interactive animations that respond. We've all seen animations in UI. Loaders that spin, cards that slide. But in 2025, animation isn't just motion, it's interaction. The new wave is all about response. Animations that react to what the user does thanks to tools like Rive, Lottie, and Framer. And this isn't just eye candy. Reports show that animated interfaces boost user engagement by up to 40%. Apps like Duolingo, Stripe, and even Figma are already leading the way, using responsive animations to simplify the complex and make every moment feel alive. Trend number 4. Voice, gesture, and invisible interfaces. The screen isn't going anywhere. Think about how you whisper to Alexa at 3 a.m. or use AirPods to reply to a message without looking. That's design happening beyond interface. Where is the user? Are they cooking, commuting, or working out? Are they in a noisy cafe or a quiet room? Interfaces need to adapt to these conditions, sometimes even disappear altogether. Invisible UX is hard to get right. When it works, it feels like magic. No buttons, no clutter, just intent and instant feedback. Trend 5. AI-generated imagery. Need a futuristic laptop floating in a neon cityscape? Done. A chef plating sushi in an abstract 3D kitchen? Easy. With tools like Midjourney, Firefly, and ChatGPT, designers can now create exactly what the interface needs, without waiting on photo shoots or licensing. The real skill now? Prompting. Knowing how to guide AI to generate assets that feel cohesive with the brand, the product, and the interface. That's the new creative muscle. Don't worry, I'll leave a few useful prompts right in the pinned comment below. So those are the biggest UI UX trends of 2025 that I have come across. If this video gave you new ideas, share it with your team, drop it in your design Slack, or just bookmark it for your next project. The future isn't just beautiful, it's anticipatory, emotional, and alive. Let's design it that way. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.